In this video, we are going to install Python Interpreter and we are going to install Visual Studio Code, which is the IDE of our choice for writing code. Let's move on to our computer screen. And let's get started by downloading and installing Python as well as this IDE. So as you can see, I'm inside my computer screen. I am going to write Python install, and the very first link is download Python. This is from python.org. This is the interpreter that we are going to download in order to execute Python in our machine. So let's click on this link and let's click on download Python 3.14.6. Now, this is the latest version at the time of recording this video. In your case, this will definitely change. It might change to 3.115 or maybe 3.21 or maybe 3.26. Well, the good news is it doesn't matter, and you can always download the latest version and follow this course. As you can see, the Python has been downloaded. Let's execute this installer and wait for this installer to execute. It says install Python 3.14.6. And let's check these two boxes. Make sure that you check these two boxes to follow along, and let's click on Install. Now, it is going to ask for admin privilege, so you need to give that. And let's wait for it to install Python 3.14 on this machine. And in the meantime, let's install another piece of software, which is VS Code. So I'm going to download VS Code. And this is an IDE from Microsoft. It is absolutely free of cost, and it is an awesome IDE used by millions of developers worldwide. You don't have to pay anything for this, and it is awesome. Let's click on this link to download VS Code, and once you are on this website, simply download it for Windows. If you are on Linux or Mac, make sure that you download it for Linux or Mac. And once this is downloaded, in the meantime, this setup was successful, so let's click on Close. And Python has been installed on this machine. Let's check whether Python has been installed on this machine. We are going to right-click here, and I'm going to open Terminal, and I'll simply type Python. Python. And did you see this 3.14 Python has been executed, which means that Python has been installed on this machine successfully? Make sure that you see this, and if you don't, then you need to follow all the steps that I am following step by step. I'm going to close this for now, and let's install VS Code. I'm going to open this setup. I accept the agreement. I'm going to read all of this. Click Next, then click Next again, and make sure that you check these two boxes. Make sure that you are checking all the boxes that I am checking. Let's click on Next, and let's click on Install. And this will install Visual Studio Code on your machine. Let's wait for it to install. Awesome. It has been installed. I'm going to check this box, and I'm going to click Finish. And this has installed Visual Studio Code on my machine, and it looks something like this. In the next video, we are going to customize this IDE a bit, and we are going to write our first Python code. I'm really very excited for you to write your first Python code. See you in the next video.